Welcome to the Getting Started Surface Assistant tutorial developed by BIM Intelligence Services. In this tutorial, we will explain how to use Surface Assistant. First, we will create a sample project. Then open and setting Surface Assistant and use Surface Assistant to provide surface data. At the end, we will show you some useful tools. Before starting, we would like to tell you that Surface Assistant was designed by architects and will not change your habits or the way you work. Surface Assistant analyzes rooms. It will attribute a surface property based on room name, meaning one usage has to have a unique name. Let us start with a sample project. You design the building. You set the rooms with their names. You indicate for each room a flat name. Start working with Beamy. Activate Beamy ribbon and open Surface Assistant. Surface Assistant will ask you 3 questions. 1. Indicate the room's property, which contains the flat name. 2. Confirm the level short name. 3. Set the usage of each type of room based on their name. You need to do it only one time, but you are able to change or modify those settings at any time by clicking on the setting icon. Now you are ready to get data from the Surface Assistant. Surface Assistant collects and calculates data by pressing Calcul. Surface Assistant shows, in the Project tab, the synthesis surface data from your project. Going further, you can add optional info like building, stairwell, type of flat, and RPM. And Surface Assistant will provide more statistics from your project. Anytime you modify your drawings, the Surface Assistant tells you surface data need to be updated by turning in red the Calcul button. Surface Assistant also provides tools such as checking rooms not belonged to flats, selecting all rooms of a flat, opening a floor plan of a specific flat, opening a 3D view of a specific flat. All those tools are one-click process. Enjoy using Surface Assistant. Save time. Stay focused on design.